Yes, this is not a clickbait. You're going to get 4,000 watch hours in the next 7 days if you follow this video step by step. So by the time you are done watching this video, you're going to know how you can get 4,000 watch hours. You're not going to pay anything. It's totally free of charge, and it's what you can start doing right away without doing anything illegal. Just something legal, something that you wish you knew earlier. So here I'm going to tell you, I've been on YouTube for like about 3-4 years right now, and I'm going to tell you the secret of getting monetized really fast. Now, before you get monetized on YouTube, you need to crush two things. That's the 4,000 view hours and then 1,000 subscribers. Why the 1,000 subscribers is very easy. The 4,000 view hours is what takes people months, years to cross. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can cross that within a month or less than a month. So it's a simple thing. There's nothing illegal. Everything is legal. All those people telling you to go buy watch hours, blah blah blah, all these things, don't do it. Don't you dare buy watch hours, because the moment you do, you will live to regret it for the rest of your life, because your YouTube will not be monetized, and even if it's monetized, it will be demonetized. I'm telling you from absolute experience, so you don't want to be found doing that. Here's what you need to do. Now, first of all, I've seen some videos that tells you to record your live video for like 10 hours and all of that. Yeah, why that is possible? But imagine you have just one device. You know, you might want to be using your device. Recording live for 10 hours is practically going to consume you more battery and all of that, all those things. Now, here's the tricks that I have for you. If you can do that, that's fine. That's still okay. Now, here's what you need to do. Compile all the videos on your channels. You know, you're not compiling them, like put all of them in a playlist. Now go to the playlist setting on your YouTube channels. Now select all the videos, all the 10 minutes, 30 minutes, all the long views videos, put them in that playlist, such that at the end of the day, by the time you compile all of them, they should be up to like 2-3 hours or even 10 hours, all of it coming. So when you put all of them on a playlist like that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to, you know, open a new tab using another YouTube channel, not your own. Like open your Google, your browser, then you play that playlist, put it on a loop. Okay, when you put it on a loop, now do that for 10 taps and leave it for as long as possible. Do it for like about 5 hours or 3 hours daily. So guys, this is for educational purposes only, and this is how I got some channels monetized, and I'm just showing you people this for educational purposes. All right, okay, so this is first system, second system, and this is a third system. Now you could use a mobile phone for this, or use one mobile if you have just one. Whatever resources you have, you just use one of that resources. Okay, so now this is what you do. Now, like most people say, let's click on live. Okay, now when I click on live, if you apply this strategy, that's fine. You go live on your device before you sleep. Okay, so that by the time you wake up, you can, okay, I think I have a network issue. You can leave it for like 10 hours or more. Okay, and the live, this one here, I will just stream in a chat or something just for the purpose of this video to show you guys. But then with these 2 hours videos, you can stream it into 10 different places on your device over and over and over and over, either using Google Incognito or using a different YouTube account. Okay, so now in this case, this is the best way I actually recommend for you guys. Now you group all the videos on your channels into a playlist. Okay, I'm going to show you guys some playlists here. Now here are some playlists right here. You can see this one has 4 videos, 14 videos, 20 videos, but this was originally a playlist created for subscribers. Okay, now but in your own case, you can group all your videos on your channels into one playlist. Okay, so now open that playlist, open that your YouTube channels on another browser, maybe incognito or on another account. Now you can see that on the playlist you see some videos are 15 minutes, 8 minutes, depending on how long you make your videos. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is play the video, play the playlist, and then most importantly, you see this point here, you loop it. Now when you hit once, it means that once this playlist has played from the first video all the way to the last video right here, the number 20 video right here, it's going to start all over again and again and again and again. Okay, now once you've done that, now you're going to duplicate the tab. Let's duplicate it. Now as this tab is coming up, I need to let you know the importance of that looping. If you don't loop it, when the entire playlist is done playing, it will go on to play another random videos on YouTube, and you don't want that. Okay, you don't want to be streaming another channel, right? So now once you've done that, we're going to do this in 10 places. Okay, so you have to be gentle, be patient with this, because if your system have low memory, like some of this system right here, they have low memory. I think they're about 2 gig or 4 gig RAM systems. So at some point, if you are in a hurry, it will start hanging. So you have to be patient. So you can see that I've opened it in another tab. The same thing I did to the first tab, I'm going to do it right here now. Then the next thing I'm going to do, that's looping the playlist. Then I'm going to extract the tab, extract it this way, so that it will be on an independent browser on its own. So now I'm done with that. So I'm still going to duplicate another tab like that. Then once I loop it, I'm going to extract it. Then I'll duplicate another tab. So I'm going to do this into 10 places. By the time you do it into 10 places, this is how it should be looking like. You could decide to spread it across your system to the different angles, but now if these tabs, if they remain on the same browser, they are not going to play, or so at some point they will stop playing. So but since you have duplicated them into different browsers, so they actually play independently. Okay, just like that, and you leave it on. Now one thing you can do is, most people they do this on mute. I don't recommend you doing this on mute. Just they do this on mute to avoid the so many noise that comes with it. Okay, but I don't recommend you doing it on mute, because it doesn't make sense. YouTube will be like, okay, why are you listening to a video on mute? Okay, so leave it playing, but reduce the volume of the system. Okay, that's what you need to do. Reduce the volume of the system. I've shown you a trick today. I hope it worked for you. So thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos. Okay, I've been on YouTube for some time now, a long time, so I'm actually experiencing some of these things. There are some things that you do and there are some things you don't, so you have to stick around so that you get to learn some of those things, so you don't fall prey, you don't fall victim of some things that I have personally fallen victim of before now. Thank you. One love.